Gender of nouns. Today we are going to do gender of nouns. Grammatical gender is a system of noun classification. When we want to classify the noun, to which gender it belongs, right? Is it clear? That is known as a grammatical gender. It is a system of noun classification. Now just see. First of all, what a gender is. The fact which denotes male or female sex of a noun. Right? The fact which denotes male or female sex of a noun is called gender. Sex means the biological term. With this term, you can find out whether it belongs to a male category or a female category. Or you can also say gender is a state of being male or female. Okay? Now see kinds of gender. There are 4 kinds of gender: masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, and neuter gender. First, masculine gender. The male noun. Which noun? Male noun is called masculine gender. For example, boy, father, they all fall under the category of masculine gender. Okay? Then, second one, feminine gender. Female noun. Which noun? Female noun is called feminine gender. For example, girl, mother, and so on. They all fall under the category of feminine gender. Common gender. A noun that refers to both the male and the female. They refer to both the male as well as the female. Right? They are known as common gender. For example, doctor, teacher. With this term, can you identify to which gender they belong? No, you cannot find their gender. So, they refer to the common gender. Last is neuter gender. A noun that denotes a thing. A thing, please make sure. It denotes a thing, not a person, which is neither a male nor a female. It is neither a male nor a female. So, they are referred to neuter gender. Note. All non-living things, they fall under the category of neuter gender. For example, material nouns, I taught you all. All the material nouns, they fall under the category of neuter gender. They are all non-living. See, book, pen, wood, they are all non-living. Okay? Abstract nouns, feelings, isn't it? So, they also fall under the category of neuter gender. Collective nouns, they also fall under the category of neuter gender. Is it clear? Now see the rules, the ways how we form genders. Okay? First, how we form rules of changing gender. By a change of word, right, or using an entirely different, we form a feminine gender from the masculine gender. Okay? Wizard, witch, totally different word. Boy, girl. Drake, duck. Cock, hen, right? Dog, bitch. Uncle, aunt. Son, daughter. They are totally different, entirely different word. Second, by adding es to the masculine gender. By adding es to the masculine gender. See the word under the heading masculine? Host. Add ESS. It will become hostess. Poet, poetess. Prince, princess. Lion, lioness. Just go through the words. By adding es. By adding es to the masculine gender. After omitting the vowel. After omitting the vowel of the last syllable. You have to omit the vowel of the last syllable. Then you will add ESS. What is a syllable? Syllable is the sound of a vowel. What is a syllable? It is the sound of a vowel. I think everybody knows what vowels are. A, E, I, O, U. They are all vowels. The number of times you hear a vowel sound in a word is the number of syllables in that word. Number of time you hear a vowel sound in a word, right? That is called the number of syllables in that word. Suppose the word is cry. When you pronounce the word cry, the sound of a comes. So that is syllable. Okay, so we have one syllable. Is the concept clear with the syllable? Okay, now do one thing. Put your hand below your chin, right? And now say Sheba. Say it again. Sheba. How many times do you think your chin draw? 2 times, right? So this is the way to find out the vowel sound. You break the words. You break the words while pronouncing it, right? So you put a stress. So when you break the word, this is called the syllable stress to get the vowel sound. Is it clear? Now see the same what I taught you right now. Okay, you have to omit the vowel of the last syllable. See the word waiter. Pronounce it and drop the last vowel sound. There are 2 vowel sounds coming. You have to drop the last one. So drop E and write ESS. Okay. Tiger. 2 vowel sound is there. Remove the last one and add ESS. Is the concept clear? Is the concept clear? So go through all these words. Then the last one. By placing a word before or after. You place a word before or after to get the feminine gender. Grandfather, grandmother, beggar man, beggar woman, peacock, peahen, and so on. There are some more. They are also different. Lad, lass, Mr., Mrs., Sultan, Sultana, fox, vixen, right? Groom, bride. So you just go through the words and try to memorize them.